Hello everyone and welcome to the November PV product review. November brings for us shorter days, colder air, really letting us know that winter is on our doorstep. It's also a lovely reminder of all the festivities that will soon be here. So, as we prepare to wrap up the end of the year, review those goals we set in January and revisit what is yet to be achieved, let us take you on a journey to see what products we have plugged into this month's PV promo to help you feel grounded and relaxed so that you can beat the end of year rush. At 120 PV, we have Tangerine Essential Oil, an oil that will help you lift your spirits during these colder days. Tangerine's got a really fresh citrus scent, perfect for motivating you to get up and go. You can put a drop in your palm, rub your hands together and cup them over your nose and inhale for a sunny start every morning. As the scent of this oil is also calming, if you're looking to concentrate during a project or when you're working on something difficult, it's a great oil to use to really help you reach those new goals. Tangerine Essential Oil is loved by children and adults alike. It's delightfully sweet and the aroma is just so cheerful and happy that it can leave you feeling really content. At 190 PV, we have released a beautiful blend made with 16 different oils in an olive oil base. This blend is a complex yet beautiful aromatic blend and makes for one of the most powerful blends in supporting mindfulness practice as it has a calming and balancing aroma. The real superpower of this oil is that it can help create an atmosphere of reflection and release. It's a perfect oil to try and love this month, helping you to release old energies and support you on your journey to your authentic self. At 250 PV, we have Freedom Essential Oil Blend, which combines copaiba, sacred frankincense, Idaho blue spruce, vetiver, just to name a few. The rest you can see listed below. The aroma of refreshing notes and grounding tones in this oil can help promote feelings of freedom from everyday trouble and inspire confidence. If you find yourself in a place wanting to shake off some negative thinking, negative thoughts and mind chatter, then this is a great oil to use to support you with it. Taking time for self-care is important in any month, but in November, to beat the rush soon to unfold, now is even more important to steal away some me-time moments. Taking time for self-care is important in any month, but in November, to beat the rush soon to unfold, now is even more important to try and steal away some me-time moments. So good job then that at 350 PV, we have Sensation Massage Oil. This oil inspires and encourages feelings of romance, youthfulness, and the beautifully blended fragrances of ylang-ylang, jasmine, geranium, and some other essential oils that can really help leave the skin smooth and soft. You can use it for a full body massage or a foot massage, or you can just massage it into your lower abdomen and lower back. It's ideal for some warm, calm, and relaxing self-care moments. Don't forget about free shipping at 400 PV. Last but not least, at 450 PV, we have Sacred Angel Essential Oil Blend, combining myrrh, ylang-ylang, sacred sandalwood, and other pure essential oils. Uniquely formulated for the autumn season, Sacred Angel supports an atmosphere of uplifting spiritual connection, supporting a deepened sense of clarity and enlightenment. Since every season provides us the opportunity to reach for new heights and motivates us to tackle new goals and possibilities, this oil and the aroma can be a great companion in aligning with positive energies and staying powerfully grounded as we pursue our goals. The calming floral aroma can also be added to an evening bath to support feelings of security, generosity, and compassion. Or it can be added to your favorite skincare products to support revitalized skin. So that's all for November. I hope you truly find times to slow down this month and be open to welcoming new beginnings and ease gracefully into the holidays ahead. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share.